Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, this is the preview of my project. So, let's get started. So, here I am using mixed media paper, and this is the stamp I'll be using for this project. Now, I'm using archival ink. Then, I'm going to stamp this. So you can do first stamp and then color, or you can color it and then stamp it. It's up to you. But I'm going to first stamp in the background and then I'm going to color it. So I'm just using different areas from that stamp. If you don't have this particular stamp, you can have any kind of like a letter and grungy stamp. So this is from Woodware Collections, and this is like a small circle stamp, and I'm using like small numbers from that. So then I'm going to dry this before I go for the next step. So I'm using watercolor paints for the background, and if you want you can try using distress oxide spray or stain spray. You can try any of those. I'm just adding very light color in the background. I'm not making it too dark. I usually try to go from light color to dark color. Um, that way you will have more control over it. So I'm adding these two colors. I'm not going to add too many colors in this. It's just the blue and the pink. So I'm going to splatter it now. Then I'm going to make sure everything is dry. Now I'm going to add little more stamps. These are like nice and circle stamps. Now I'm going to use this washi tape, and I'm going to tear the edges and then add in this project. Now I'm going to color those circles little bit with the metallic pen. Just randomly, but not like every one of them, but just little bit. Then I'm going to add now um, a different color, that is black. I'm going to add some black paint in this. Then I'm going to scribble a little bit. You can use a pencil, very dark pencil also, or you can use brush and scribble it. Then I'm going to do the splatter. Without the splatter, it doesn't feel like it is a finished project. So splatter is like a must. Then I'm going to dry this. I'm using this neo pastel crayons, and I'm going to just do the mark making. I'm using like a contrast color, but if you don't want it, you don't have to. You can use acrylic paint pen, it is called acrylic paint pen. I think today I'm having trouble saying the words. So it's acrylic paint pen, and then I'm going to add this leftover dyes and going to put some of those in this. Then some numbers. These are my leftover dyes from the previous project, so I thought it will be nice to add in this. So I'm just adding few of them. Now I'm going to put the focal point. Then I'm going to add the coat and finish the project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.